My closet is so messy. Look at my plants. My plant is dead. I just feel like so unmotivated when I'm at home. So I'm gonna head to the gym.
Hi, welcome to Coffee Tea. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I get a vanilla cold brew coffee latte?
Alrighty. Anything else for you today?
Can I get a fruit salad?
Sure. And a fruit salad? You got it.
Thank you.
Yep.
I'm sweating. There's sweat everywhere, like dripping. Alright, I just got home. I'm gonna wash my face and do a face mask because I feel gross. But I just put this on my spam account story. Follow my spam account if you want. Honestly, just hope you get accepted because I haven't accepted on that spam account. Accepted requests in like a month because like it's just like I don't want everyone to be able to join. Like you really gotta wait it out. You know what I mean? It's exclusive. Anyways, but I was just talking on there and saying that if anyone's feeling unmotivated lately and they can't get anything done and every single day they just feel like they are lazy, aka me, my screen time literally has gone up 20%. Because the more I get depressed, the more I just don't want to do anything and I just go on my phone. I go through this cycle of depression as I get older, not as I get older, especially this year, the past year. I've been able to be aware of like my stages of going through it. And right now I can feel myself going through it. And the way I avoid it is being aware of it and trying to change it. My life, like my habits and my lifestyle. Going and working out is the best thing for me. I don't know what it is, but nothing makes my day better than going to work out. And a lot of times I don't want to do it, but I know that the feeling afterwards is amazing. Like I just feel like my day is like, I feel like one of those lifestyle bitches and I feel like I can get so much done. So if you haven't started to work out yet, try it. Get a gym membership. It's not that scary, trust me, or just like work out at home, but I just feel like so unmotivated when I'm at home. So try to get a gym membership, try to find a friend that goes to the gym, go on a run, something like that. Because I know the gym can be scary, but then just create like little things like today I need to clean my room. I don't know if I actually will, but hopefully I will. Keep yourself accountable because I do this every single day where I'm like, I'm gonna do this and I never end up doing it. I've been telling myself I'm gonna clean my room for the past 2 weeks and I've been telling myself I'm gonna film a sponsor for the past 2 weeks. Have I done it? No. Today hopefully is gonna be a good day. The effort that you put in every single day counts. Like, look at my plants. My plant is dead. Why? Because I can't bother to water it. I tell myself I will water it, but I never end up doing it. Because I know a lot of people watch my videos and they're like, oh my God, like I want to be this girl. Like she's got her life together. Wrong. I go through the same shit as you, but I just don't show it as often. And lately it's been really bad, but also like, look at this plate. Like what the fuck am I? Like, I'm going to do the dishes first before I make breakfast. But I'm gonna play some music and I'm gonna time lapse it because I can't get anything done without music on. I just finished making breakfast. 2 eggs with Dave's Killer Bread, avocado, turkey with some tomatoes on top. Season this shit real well. And then I also have a matcha vanilla smoothie. Oh my God, this is so good. I hate protein shakes. I don't know what it is. I hate sweet things. I can't enjoy protein shakes, but the fact that this is a matcha vanilla one, because I usually make matcha lattes with vanilla syrup, but this is really good and it's protein. The matcha that I use, I'll link below. It's really good matcha I got off Amazon. And the protein powder I use is linked below as well. It's like literally 5 ingredients. It's made out of peas. I'm not really like into the like whey protein or anything. I just feel like there's a chance of it fucking me up. If you use it, good for you. I'm just really fucking scared because some people like get acne and stuff like that when they eat a lot of whey. So I'm gonna stick with some like natural shit, but it tastes so good. Hold on, pause. I notice a lot of you watch my videos and you don't even subscribe. Look at that percentage. What are you doing? Subscribing is free. And if you subscribe from this video and comment that down below, I will read your comment and like it. Because guess what? A girlie reads every single one of her comments and she's not lying. Go look at the comments. Did she like all of her comments? Yep, she's not lying. Go subscribe and comment down below if you subscribe. Okay, I have the singing lessons. Well, no, I have piano lessons in 14 minutes. I'm gonna quickly shower and wash my hair and everything. So I feel disgusting and then we'll hit the piano lessons. I have extensions still in my hair and they're kind of growing out. I don't know if I should get them tightened again. I love the long hair. Ew, my fucking hair stinks. I'm gonna shower.
2 seconds later.
I'm using the Pharmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer. So good. Also wearing Adeline's merch. Girls, 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 supporting girls. The sweatpants that I was wearing earlier were from there as well. Target got the best socks, the Hanes socks. This fit is not that cute, but I don't give a fuck. These are from Stacks, by the way, but I lost a sports bra to it, so. I kind of want to tan, but I don't really want to ruin my skin, so I think I might fake tan later today. Just, you know, feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. That's not feeling itself. My closet is so messy.
2 hours later.
Okay, I didn't really update you, but I went and dropped off my rental car and I just made some ground turkey with vegetables and beans. I'm trying to eat a lot now. I'm gonna have the rest of my protein shake with this and then try to eat the rest of this like at night. I'll probably make salmon for dinner. It's currently 5 o'clock, 5:43 right now. This is my lunch, but it has peas, green beans, carrots, corn, black beans, chickpeas, and ground turkey, and I seasoned it with cumin, thyme, oregano, red pepper, paprika, and salt and pepper. I usually make this with chicken, but this is my first time trying ground turkey. It's really good. It tastes like a taco, but without the taco. If you had salsa, this would be so good, but unfortunately, depressed me never put it away and just left it in my room on the side of my bed. I wasn't gonna vlog today, but then I was like, I probably should because I haven't done YouTube in like a week. Hi, what's up? I'm gonna go to the gym, but I really don't want to, but I'm gonna do it. But I wanna make coffee, but it takes like 10 minutes to make. So Liquid IV sent me some stuff, so I'm gonna try it. It's like this non-GMO drink mix and has lemon ginger in it and apparently also matcha. And it's supposed to have 1 to 2 cups of coffee in this little thing, but I feel like it's gonna taste bad, but let's try it. I don't know what 12 ounces of water is. That's what it's asking for, but we're just gonna. Oh, why am I so scared? I feel like this could be really bad. Cheers. Oh my God, wait, this doesn't taste bad at all. I'm gonna drink this and walk to the gym because I don't have a car right now. So that means I have to walk a whole kilometer. It's gonna take me like 13 minutes, which that's a lot for me. I don't do cardio, but we're just gonna do it.
2 hours later.
Okay, I just spent the last like hour on my phone, whoops. But basically I've just been like notifying everyone on my text message, like on my other phone. Cause like I have a public number. I'll insert it on the screen right now if you guys don't know. I have 2 phones. I have this one and then I also have this one. But this phone number is this one that's on the screen right now. And I've just been texting you guys, letting you know that I'm doing like a giveaway on my live stream today because I try to go live every single day on Twitch and it's not even like gaming. So if you don't game, it's fine. You can still join, but basically I've just been like doing this new thing where like I talk to you guys every single day, I guess, and it's really fun because like I get to just like talk and then I occasionally play games. But today I'm just gonna be giving away a bunch of makeup that I don't use anymore and stuff like that. Well, not that I don't use, like that I got for free that I don't use. So I'm gonna give that away and I'm just gonna talk to you guys and like do a Q&A. But yeah, I've been updating everyone on my spam account and my main account as well because I have 2 accounts. Also, if you didn't know that, I have like my spam account that's private that you have to like request to follow, and then I also have my main account. But that's what I've been doing. But if you follow my Twitch and you want to be noticed, just screenshot the thing that says you followed me and send it to me and I'll try to find your DM and reply to you. Also, if you subscribe from this video, comment that down below because I read every single one of my comments. If you don't know that, and I'll like your comment. Anyways, so I'm gonna head to the gym. I have to fucking walk 10 minutes though, and I really don't want to do that. I really don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. I'm just trying to make myself do it because I know that I'll feel better if I do, because like I'm just kind of sad right now. I gotta get sad really easily. So that's what we're gonna try to do. Oh my God, I have to change my laundry so I can put bedding on my bed because I've been chilling without bedding for a while and it kind of looks ugly on the stream. Wait, I thought my bedding was in here. Is it not? Where's my bedding? Well, I should probably find that. Also, I got a bunch of packages and I finally opened them today. I'm out of breath. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got later because I got a lot of things and it's literally just all spread out right here. So I'm really excited for the things that I bought, but I need to find where my bedding is because I thought it was in the wash, but I guess not, and that was my excuse on why I didn't put my bedding on my bed. Oh my God, I'm actually an idiot. I just took it off and I never put it in the wash. I'm an actual idiot. Oh my God, okay, time to put this in the wash. Okay, I put my clothes in the wash. Now I'm gonna walk to the gym. And Uber is $11, which I don't wanna pay, so I'm just gonna walk there because I'm not gonna pay $11 for it to drive me 4 minutes. That's a waste of my money. Let's go. Just got back from the gym. Honestly, walking isn't as bad as I thought it would. I just think I'm really lazy. I'm gonna wash my face real quick and then eat. So Tula sent me a bunch of items here. They sent me this cleanser that I really want to try. I see Tula in Ulta all the time, and like, was it Ariana Grande that uses the makeup cleansing balm? And I really wanted to buy it, but they ended up sending me things. So thank you to them. But I'm gonna try this cleanser that they have, and then we'll put on some sunscreen that they have as well. I'm always looking for new sunscreens and stuff, so super excited. Let's use this. And nothing hurts anymore. I feel kind of free. Ooh, this is like kind of like jelly. Whoa, this feels so weird. What the heck? I've never felt a cleanser like this. It's a gel-based cleanser that removes dirt, impurities, and makeup. Use morning and night, massage into wet skin. Oh, wet skin. My skin ain't wet. Oh, that's why my hands should have been wet. Overall, first impressions, very good. No like weird residue or anything. My face feels clean. Moisturizer, we gotta use the Pharmacy Honey Halo. I've been using this a lot recently. It's a little bit thicker, but I love it. It's super hydrating. My skin's been really good the past couple months, and I think it's because I've been using really good products for my face, such as Pharmacy, Curology. Tula's a really good one, so I'm excited to use that. PSA Skin, super clean beauty brands, you know? Tula Protect and Glow Sunscreen. I need to start wearing sunscreen more. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's like a gel. Whoa, it's super thin, like not thick whatsoever. Oh my God, I love the smell of sunscreen. But this is super thin, like it doesn't feel thick. You know? You know sometimes when you wear sunscreen and it feels like greasy and like ugh, like you really have to blend it in? Not this. This is also cruelty free. Oh my God! And it's so dewy. I think that's like the point of this. This is my new favorite sunscreen. Thank you so much to them for sending me that. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Literally going to the gym is life-changing. If I'm sad, I know going to the gym makes me feel better because every time I go to the gym, after I'm so motivated, like I get so much done. And when I was really depressed for the past week, I literally did nothing. I laid in bed all day, woke up at 2 o'clock, and I would do nothing, and I would nap all day and wake up at like 8 o'clock and do nothing. I was like, you gotta change. So I just recently started going to the gym more. I was just saying hi to the UPS man. But like then I was like, I gotta wake up and go to the gym. So I woke up and I started going to the gym, and it just motivates me so much. Sterling, come here. Even if it's like 1 o'clock and I've got nothing done all day and I woke up late and I go to the gym, it's like a brand new day. And I was like, what's wrong with me? Like, why am I so depressed? And it was because I stopped going to the gym. Anyways, tangent of that. We gotta cut up some garlic. We're gonna put some broccolini in here. We'll surround the salmon with it. Boom, boom, boom. All right, make sure the garlic gets nice up in there. I like to try to put it in like the crevices of the salmon as well. I feel like it really like infuses well when I do that. I'm talking like I know how to cook, by the way. I literally learned everything off of Google. All right, we'll throw the extra garlic on here. Garlic powder, because you can never have enough garlic. Like I was saying this morning, Liquid IV sent me a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna put it away because I asked Alyssa what it was because she was like, oh my God, it's so good. She's like, it's for hangovers, but I don't really drink, so drinking makes me depressed. I got these organizers from Amazon, by the way, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll link it down below. But you can also get it like Bed Bath & Beyond, literally anywhere. What if I just started drinking a bunch of this instead of just regular water? Would that be bad for me? Someone let me know. Cute, so now we have like a whole tray for Liquid IV. I burnt my broccolini. Whoopsies. I left it in the oven for too long. But anyways, I just made some salmon. Cause I was gonna have a protein shake, but I was like, I probably should just eat food instead of just trying to drink my protein. Oh, I love salmon so much. It's like the best. Currently editing a video to send in to a brand. Then I gotta film a brand deal. And then I gotta clean my house because it's messy as well. I'm gonna use another Liquid IV hydration multiplier. This one is the tangerine one. I wonder if this is gonna taste good. I mean, I feel like it will. It's good. I forgot to vlog it, but I just did my makeup and I got a package at the door. Well, the UPS man left it here like a while ago, like y'all saw, but I just never opened it. But it's from Morphe, so I wanna open it. Coca-Cola. Let's take it out. How am I supposed to take this out? Oh my God, okay. Ooh, I should have opened this before I did my makeup. Okay, they gave me some makeup brushes. No way, they gave me makeup brushes. They gave me this cute brush case. I always need a new brush case because mine always gets so dirty. Oh my god, yes. I was literally looking for an angled brush today because I wanted to do eyeliner with it. Oh my god, look how cute these colors are. Morphe has the best and like the most inexpensive brushes out there. We got some lip glosses. I'm definitely gonna use this right now. I'm always loving to use new lip glosses. Let's do this one, this pinky one. Very cute. Not sticky. Morphe's always killing it though, so like I'm not surprised whatsoever. Then we got the, oh my god, did they give me a mascara? Yes. I don't know why brands don't come out with mascaras more because I want more mascaras because I always want to try new ones. Honestly, I can't tell if this is good or not because I have fake lashes on right now, but love the packaging. Very sleek. Then we got this artistry palette. Love. You know what? This section's not really for me, but this section right here, this orange, I'm gonna use this right away. This brown, I'm gonna use it for a liner. This is my perfect palette. And then I probably use this like shimmery color for the lid, and then this blue color if I want to like line my eyes because blue makes brown pop. Oh my god, thank you so much, Morphe. This is a good palette. I just filmed the sponsor, but I need to make my bed now because I'm about to stream in like an hour. Not even, like less than that. And I need the background to look clean, so I'm finally gonna make my bed. Bitch, I'm trying to put the sheets on the bed, not play with you. Get on my sheets! Get on my sheets! It is the next day and I went to the Grove this morning and I went shopping. Well, I went to go eat food, but then I saw this. Oh my god. Then I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I need to do a TikTok about this because I think it's crazy. I was in Brandy Melville, right? And I go to the necklace section and I see this necklace and I'm like, that looks a whole lot like, wait, where is it? Did I lose it? I can't even show y'all because I don't know where the necklace is. So I made this necklace right here. I'm gonna insert it on the screen. It's like this crystal necklace and everyone always asks me where it is and I always say that I made it because like I literally bought the crystals myself, broke it off whatever it was on and put it on a chain. But then I saw this and I was like, whoa, that's so weird that they made a necklace and it's like on the same chain that I bought and put my crystals on as well. And they have 5 crystals. And I was like, maybe it's the infinity stones, but the infinity stones are like 6 or something like that, and it's more than that. And I'm like, why would they put the green one in the middle? Mine had a green one in the middle. I don't know. I just think that it's crazy how much I don't realize that people actually like look at my stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. Let me know down in the comments if you think I'm tripping or not, but like they literally put crystals on a chain that looks exactly like the chain I had and spaced it out the same amount as well. I don't know. I think that's crazy. Like I'm not mad about it or anything. I think it's so cool. And like it was just like a moment of like, whoa, like I wonder how many people actually look at my stuff. Anyways, I want to get ready because I need to take a sponsor post and then I got to stream today. I got to set up my stream again. I also got to edit like review a video because I have to post tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday, so I'm gonna post. So yeah, so I went to Charlotte Tilbury and I bought a couple things. So I'm gonna show you guys. I got this cream and it's like a night, what is this? It is a magic cream. It's an instant turnaround moisturizer. I don't know, they gave it to me. Well, they didn't give it to me. I had to spend an amount for them to like give it to me for free. Apparently like this is like really popular and it's just like a good base for your makeup as well because like it like primes it. I don't know. We're gonna try it. It smells like the pharmacy honey face mask. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup. I have a bunch of Charlotte Tilbury products to try, like lip products, but I don't know what I want to use. I think I'm gonna line my lips using the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Iconic Nude. I'm gonna line the outside of my lips. I ran out of lip cheat. I literally used it all and I had 2 of them and I've gone through 2 of them. I've been using this for over a year now. I also have their lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna use lip cheat and fill in. Then we have different lip products to choose from. We have these 3. So there's this lip and, wait, this is a cheek tint? What? I got this and I didn't know it was a cheek tint. I thought this was just a lip thing. Oh my god, wow. I love this. Okay, well there's this lip tint that I could use and then there's 2 glosses that I can use too. Kind of want to use this corally gloss. Like it looks so cute. Kind of love this color. Oh my god, this is so, do I look ugly? No, I think I look cute. This lighting just sucks.
In the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.